What's going on, folks? Ontarian here, Passive Income Guru, back at you again with another testimonial video, guys, with the Sauce Bot. And guys, I just want to let you know that you want to definitely grab your copy of this bot before the end of the month. Again, it is at a 50% discount right now, going for $250 one time, guys. And the bot produces results. Okay, this is a customer that's been with us for a year, over a year. And she's continually, she sends me these screenshots every week. She's continually making passive income on a weekly, daily basis. Okay, she has figured out the settings that go well with this. As a matter of fact, everyone that comes and gets the bot, we set you up with the same settings, ladies and gentlemen. Maybe not the same pair, because she has actually change the pair that she wants to run with, which is GBP USD, but we set you up on the same thing. Okay, and actually, if you want to actually consult with her, she's very open to give you pointers on what she does and how she's making this run smooth, and she's profitable, guys. Again, she's been profitable for over a year, and she is going very well. Okay, I have other testimonials. I got other people that's using the bot that's having great success, but I can't keep up with all of them. I guess a lot of them don't want to give me a testimonial, or they just happy with their results. But I did get another testimonial today from a gentleman named Matthew. Okay, and Matthew just bought our bot. As you can see here, 10:56 a.m. today. He said he's loving the EA. It's awesome. He said he's made $8 so far. As you can see, I'm going to blow his screenshot up so you can see the numbers right there. All right. And that's going to continue to grow for him as well, guys. And let me ask you this, guys. This is a $1,000 account. He's made $8 so far. Let me ask you this. Okay. If you have $1,000 sitting in a bank account, will it make $8 in a day or less than a day? Absolutely not. Okay, absolutely not. So with the Sauce Bot, guys, we're giving you something that can make money in your sleep. It takes away the emotions of trading, and especially if you don't know how to trade, this is something that you can tap into as well. All right, so hit the link below. Hit the link below to get your copy. Again, for the discounted price, and then once you purchase, go ahead and reach out to me so that we can get you installed right away. All right. P.S. Also, disclaimer: we're not promising you guys profits. We're not promising you this thing is going to make you rich. All right. This is a slow and steady build. Again, this is also investing. Okay, so don't put more in that you're not willing to lose. The other thing is you will need a what's called a VPS, a virtual private server. That is going to basically keep the bot operating while your computer is sleeping or off. All right, you're going to need that. I'm going to leave a link below for you to get that as well. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll be happy to help you. Okay, take care. Enjoy the rest of your week and your weekend. Talk to you soon. Take care.